preserve the culture. Yeah, we want to preserve the culture, but like, what has the culture done for us? I didn't know they want to do sit at home now, killing.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. Area, hey, area, hey. My people, I say our beautiful sister, our beautiful Nelo Okeke. I just did here the film video. Then after I film video, may I remove my Now you see our sister video alert. Bang bang. That's okay. May I watch whether I'll see something to react on. Behold, there is two particular something when this our beautiful sister talk. There is a lot but mostly two inside. It hits my chest. I want to receive. I say, my people, I would like. May we listen to Nelo. Then you will leave your opinion. Me, I learn from there too. I learn from one word when she talk. Yes, it's not good to criticize country. First of all, let's hear from her. Then, oh, the video long when I download. Let's hear.
I hope they do. I'm not going to, or not, to be honest, I don't mind, but I hope they do. I'm not going to be like, oh, I want to preserve the culture. Yeah, we want to preserve the culture, but like, what has the culture done for us? I didn't know they want to sit at home now, killing each other. But sorry for another day.
My people, this part, when our sister, there is video I react on. When I watch this video, when they throw away people food, buy people, if you be Nigeria, you understand the meaning of buy people, buy your own brother, buy your own sister, all the name must sit at home. When I say our sister Nelo, she react on it, she talk about it, but not be say she deliberate on it too well. Because a lot of us, this social media, we know they talk about it. Only one Igbo girl, first, Lynn, I don't really know her. I don't look for that lady. Social media handle. I don't know her to follow that lady. Only that lady now you see say if they feel they talk about wetin dey happen for east. Wetin Nelo talk na say this language, because they ask Nelo, are you teaching your children Igbo? Are you teaching your children your language? She said yes. She come say shey when she even know the language, wetin the language dey do for her. No be the day they do people make them sit at home. For me, I think say you na like am o, my sister. I will not lie you, because you are a social media person. Many things now they do react to people video, now they do react to many things. I have never seen when you, my sister Nelo, sit down, criticize this thing. But I was shocked to my bone marrow, say, they enjoy waiting they happen. I pray, may God touch their mind. And I believe if many of now they voice, I believe those things will stop. That is how I see it. If many of now they voice waiting they happen, like something happened for my daughter which day, when our governor something we talk, when something they happen, all those cultists we talk. You will see some people they talk mostly get one time when anywhere we talk people go they talk they see though they react about it, they do comedy, they do all kind, but I have never seen. For me, I'm sorry, you no come under my comment section. It's Nelo bring up because me react about it. How? Saw there your leg, you see they enjoy the same song. Now you they cry. Now you see they put more cry for. I don't understand. Why innocent children beat mother, throw away mother's food? It don't make sense. Our East brother, may not try to change. True. At many people now go they discourage. You hear what Nelo talk now. I know some people say Nelo. I know some people come after Nelo. Waiting they talk. You know waiting they. No, she know waiting she they talk. May we let her talk. She know waiting they talk. See your own brother. See your own human being. See adult for what? I blame our government. Oh, I blame government for that one. May we listen to Nelo more.
Next question. Overwhelmed by people sending you messages about collaboration videos?
Definitely, it gets overwhelming, and I'm trying to actually see what I reply to now. Like sometimes you might see me read and I don't reply. Sometimes I might just like the comment and go, because I feel like I'm one person. It's just everything is a lot, and not just about collaboration, but also just communication and just it's a lot. Yeah, but I like it. I mean, I'm grateful. Yeah.
This part I understand. Before, when you are not a YouTuber or when you don't wear that shoe, when you request for somebody to assist you, you always say like, oh, this person don't they form. Oh, this person no dey ask for people. As me never even big na as I still dey, see dey struggle to grow. I know some people dey look and say, oh, Esther no dey ask for people. Hey, Naija Daughter no dey ask for people. Me, I dey feel and dey see am, but you no wear my shoe, you no understand. Sometimes as una hear our sister Nelo, e dey happen to many people. You go open, you go open message for you to reply. You fit forget. Maybe one of your child fit shout, or maybe you put something for fire, or maybe call fit come in. You quickly receive that call before you know, don't forget that message. But some people no understand. She talk about collaboration. I know say this our sister, she dey really dey do collab, she dey support people. Talk about YouTube space, not too long when this the same Nelo, not I dey support her, no, but na wetin I see. Not too long when I see Nelo, a YouTuber, when she's not even auto 1,000, or let me just put it like that. Some auto 1,000, some not auto 1,000. She collaborates with them. She even helped the lady to build her channel. Nelo is good, like is good for that. For that, I like Nelo. Yes. Let's listen more. There is another part.
The long-term goal as a mom.
For me to be happy, for my children to be happy, and for my husband to be happy, and for everybody that live under my roof to be happy. Happiness is my long-term goal. To be honest, I'm not specific. I just want everybody to be happy. No matter what we're doing, let's all be happy. Happiness, okay.
That is true. Happiness is free. No matter what you are doing in this life. Anybody living with you. Nelo get a house girl when it turn to sister, that is Okeke. When they live under Nelo, without Bito, the way Nelo handled that lady. If many of us, many Nigerians who have, house girl at home, treat house girl the way Nelo treats this her house girl, I believe maybe there will not be a bad thing. Or maybe, I know some people, they are stubborn or wicked, no matter how you treat them, no matter how you take them. Nelo just knew surprise one of her house girl machine to sew. I watched that video. Congratulations to you, sis. Thank you, sis Nelo. All the good work you are doing. Many of us, we sing, we watch, silent, we just quiet. Look at the excitement when the girl was happy, shouting, sewing machines, something like that. She was happy, That's how it's supposed to be. Anybody around you, anybody living under the same roof with you, please put smile here on her face. Happiness is free. The way she repronounced, that is true. Happiness is free. But some people love to be happy when they love other people to be sad. There is some people like that. Let's hear more.
Country.
If I'm to relocate anywhere in the world, it's be moving to Abuja. That's the only place I want to move to. I don't want to leave Nigeria. And I actually thought about it recently, like last week. Something happened and I really, really thought about it. I never actually want to leave Nigeria. Okay. I so much believe in the fact that I will make it here in Nigeria more than abroad. And the more I see people that have stayed abroad, 20, 30 years, the more convinced I am compared to people that have stayed in Nigeria for 20, 30 years, people that I know personally. But that being said, if I'm to move anywhere, it will be to pointing out things I don't like about Nigeria, or things I don't like about Port Harcourt, or things I don't like about Lagos. I try to focus on the positives when it comes to things like this, because not all of us want to move out of Nigeria now. So it's like, okay, why am I always thinking of the negative? I'm not like that. Like, you will rarely catch me, oh, Nigeria is so horrible on the internet. No. Like if I've ever done that, maybe once, I don't even think I've ever, oh, Nigeria is the worst. Maybe during election, we are all in our, still enjoying election. But that being said, I'm not the kind to just come and always do that, or make a video out of how horrible Nigeria is, or just, things like that. It doesn't mean it's not bad, but why am I adding to the negativity instead of focusing on the positive? So that's how I see Port Harcourt as well.
God bless you, sis Nelo. I hope many people, the video is long, the one that load, but I just play short one. If I have time, maybe I will do another video also. This our Nigeria circle video longi. I know this part. I hope many people learn from it. The reason why I say I hope many of us learn from it, time of election, I do that video also. Time of election, people speak, but after election, let's say ourselves come together, let's drop politics, then let's come together. Not the one you will sit on your platform blabbing. You are doing yourself. The name you call your country, that is the name that we used to look at you. You hear Nelo just now, she just pronounced. The main purpose of me want to react on this particular place, because when you will see social media, they will never, in fact, they will be seeing the truth. This is how this news look like, but they will paint it on their own. When I don't know if it's because of view, and those people, they are having view. Those people, they are big, big social media people. People already know them, but they will still sit on their comfortable channel, bringing information, bad information, painting the country bad. painting. You can never see, those civilized country says person go just sit down try to paint the country bad. No of politics. You have right to talk, you have right to do anything, but the moment politics end, it's good for us to come together, unite. You understand? Let us unite. Yes, our country they say not good, still we see they put more fire, we see they paint them, like charcoal. Things never dey okay, but we still dey paint them. Me by myself, I learn from Nelo. Let me know. She let me know. Say, e no mean say our country not good. Then you go sit on your social media, they blabby, they don't talk bad about your country. Say she not be person like that, and she believe say she go make am for this country. She not dey travel to anywhere. My people, I hope you guys enjoy. I just bring this video come out for una. See wetin our sister talk. Bring come out mostly that east side when they do sit at home. Me personally, I not like her. Yes. Other minds are not come out from that side. I be Nigeria. We are all one Nigeria. Anything happen to East, they happen to the full Nigeria. We are one Nigeria. For me, I don't like them. So see mothers, see children, see things, for me, I don't like it. I don't like, but I was happy when I say, Nelo, that man Nelo don't deliberate on it. Where it come out from her mouth, say, she's not happy. See what is happening on her, area, on her side. She's not happy. It's time for you, for many people to know what this thing that they are doing. They are using it to bring, I don't know how to put it. People go lost hope on their state. People go lost, like the way Nelo, now out of billions, now we don't know how many people get this kind of thoughts like Nelo. We don't know. Waiting my language give me. Waiting my language give me. Waiting my tradition give me. Not be to stay at home. You see. I know some people go there, they go curse now, some people go blast, some people go waiting they talk. She know waiting she they talk. She not waiting she they read they talk. You understand? It not waiting she they talk. See mother, see children. I don't really understand for that part. Mostly that part. It hits my bone. Yes. And secondly, we should stop painting our country. Otherwise, the day of election, Nelo carry this, campaign for head. Nelo campaign, use her social media, use all her body to campaign, but the campaign don't finish now. You see the way she carry the whole thing. That is how politics be. That is how Nelo really need good for her country. She mean well for her country. That is how a good citizen is supposed to do. You know, we say, hey, I campaign for this person candidate. You now win. Every day blast. Every day blast. They will come up with fake news. They will blast us. May God have mercy on us. My people, my area people, I hope our beautiful sister, Nelo Okeke, if you never watch that her video, go and watch that her video. The main purpose of me just rush to do this video because of it meet me at the right time. You see, na night don't reach. Yeah, night don't reach. Okay, please like the video, drop your opinion. What she talk whether na bad thing. For me, not talk bad thing. It's good what they really happen for our East, good. And we should stop painting our country bad. No country good. Our country get their own for body. Now who they do, now who they do. You don't like this video, I bet like this video. See, I meet you in my next video. Area.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default.